All right, so today is still till June 10th, okay, and we are going to have a FOMC meeting later in about 4 hours, okay. So let's get some basic information, right? Decide to make money instead, yeah, and we not only decide to make money, but we decide to share with you guys, okay, to participate with the market with you guys, and that could be more interesting, right? Okay, so dollar index has come to a supporting level. Okay, it's a very nice fall after since last week. Okay, the DXY continue falling as we expected. Uh, so now it comes to this horizontal support about 96 level, and it may have some bounce. Okay, so get ready. It may have some bounce, but generally speaking, I don't think it's going to change the trend. All right, the bearish trend is very strong. Okay, because you can go to weekly chart, the dollar index is definitely already break the trend line here. Okay, and it almost break the previous trend line as well. Okay, so it may go to 618 level in a weekly charts level. So let's just find it. Where is it? Okay, good. So this implies the dollar index may go back to 93.88, right? More downside room, and maybe the FOMC meeting may be a catalyst, okay, to push the dollar index even lower. Okay, so get ready. The dollar index may break 95 and all the way go to 93.88. Okay, so with that in our background information, let's check the euro dollar. The euro rallied very well. Okay, so I think in my last webinar I told you guys to buy the low of euro. Okay, so if you remember and you capture the opportunity of the structural breakout and pullback strategy, you should find out this trade. Okay, long from 1.1250, and now you already have 140 pips swing. Okay, so right now, although the euro is coming back, but we can still manage to watch this euro dollar level by 1.1331. Okay, so draw a horizontal line at 1.1330. Okay, so use this as your reference structure so that as long as the price is maintained above 1.1330, you want to be a buyer. Okay, repeat, you want to be a buyer if the price can stay above 1.1330. Okay, this is a very strong supporting zone, and the FOMC meeting may push the price to come back to this level to let you guys to buy it, okay, and all the way goes a new high. Are you okay with this? Do you understand where I coming from? Okay, use this structure, okay, as your supporting reference. Okay, as long as the price is above this level, you want to be a buyer because the euro may create a new high. This is an uptrend. This is a bullish trend. So find a pullback after the structure was broken, and this structure is right now at 1.1330. So your stop loss could be set below this Marubozu bar, which is 1.1296. Okay, just set your stop loss here and enjoy the next wave of rally for the euro. Oh, okay, good. Let's move on. Sterling dollar. Sterling is the working at same as euro, is bullish trend, and the sterling is just break the daily resistance. Okay, this is a very good signal because after a very long time, sterling finally break 1.2647. Okay, this 1.2650 was broken, and I mentioned in my group that I said the sterling, we can use the structure breakout and pullback strategy, and we covered, we managed to buy the bought starting from 1.2645, and it already goes up. Okay, so this is a very nice signal that to support the sterling still continued going up. Okay, I think the final price will be about 1.31. Okay, 1.31 or 1.3060. Okay, so find pullbacks to buy the sterling. Okay, despite it's now coming a red candle, but it already broke new high. So you can use the structure as well to determine whether you want to still holding your long positions, or you want to be a buyer of sterling, because this is definitely a new high was created, pullback, okay, cannot break new low, and it will have another wave of rally. Okay, let's go for gold. Okay, gold is now coming back to the zone already. Okay, but the gold has already break 11700 level. This is acting as a support here. Okay, so today I think I'm going to use 1692 and 1698 as my reference of the buying zone here. Okay, I will use this zone to buy gold. Okay, because the downtrend line was broken. This is for sure. Okay, the downtrend line was broken. Okay, and our trend line broken, a very strong wave created, and we want to buy the pullback. Okay, we want to buy the pullback. Maybe 1700 is a very good level. Maybe 1692, we don't know, but watch the price action around here. Okay, check if there's any pin bar or engulfing candle created at this place. You understand? If yes, please type 5. Give me 5. Okay, watch for this kind of candle at this level and ready to buy the gold again. Okay, to enjoy a ABCD move. Right, this could be an ABCD move and give you a lot of money because you are buying the low. Right, aim 1748. That will be a good tangible target of this ABCD patterns of the gold, and you want to buy the gold from 50 or 61% retracement level. Okay, all right, so gold, yeah, pullback, buy, pullback, buy. The gold may still have another high, and maybe that time it will all the way go to 1760. Okay, so upon there, we will actually consider to take some profit and watch the price action, see whether it can break up, okay, or continue rally. If it does, okay, we want to still hold some balanced positions all the way to 1900. Okay, who knows? Okay, but generally speaking, I feel the gold will have a bullish fundamental supporting evidence. Okay, because the Fed, the FOMC cannot print gold. Okay, it can release a lot of money, it can print money, print US dollar, but it cannot print gold. That's the most important logic of the long-term bullish view of gold. But our trader's job is to find a good entry level. Okay, find a good patterns to enter your buy, enter your buys. Okay, enter your longs and put your stop loss somewhere below. Okay, and to enjoy a high reward and risk ratio returns. Okay, what about oil, right? Okay, sure, let's go for oil. Okay, definitely oil is still in a bullish channel. Okay, but it already touched 40. Okay, so this could be a important level for the oil, because $40 if you check weekly chart, okay, when did the oil make a such bearish move? Is upon breaking 40. Okay, it almost come to the previous structure here. Okay, 39.40 or 40 level, round number. Okay, so it may face some resistance here, but this definitely is not going to make a sell, because it's very strong bullish trend, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 weeks rally, including this week will be 8 weeks of rally. That could be a very strong trend, so we don't want to sell it right now, but we'd rather to wait for some price actions confirmation to before you want to take a sell. Okay, so for daily chart, you can see this is a bearish candle followed by a doji and another doji. Okay, so it has the possibility of an inside bar. Do you agree? Do you agree this could be an inside bar if the daily candle form like this? Yes, this is definitely a inside bar. Okay, so you have to check, okay, whether the after that the oil breaks up or breaks down. Okay, if breaks down, it may tells you, yeah, it reversed. Okay, if breaks up, it tells you continue rally, because inside bar breaks up, that means the momentum is up. Okay, so that's something we have to bear in mind. Okay, let's go for 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart, because daily is inside the bar, so 4-hour chart is basically just sideways. Okay, this sideways market. So you can buy the low and sell the high. Okay, of course the low could be at the 37.50 level here. Okay, this is being a good supporting level. So now it's time for the bulls to push the price higher back to 39.61, I think. So this could be a good targeting level of the bulls. And yet the sellers will take control of the 618 level as well, which is 39.14. Okay, so you can expect a small rally to 39.14, and then it just turn another round. Okay, and it will sideways for a while, but definitely it will break either new high or new low. This consolidation that will be over here. Okay, so watch for the breakout of this consolidation area before you make your long-term bullish plan or bearish plan for the oil. Okay, it's still not so bearish yet because the low is still hold as quite well at here 37.50. Okay, it's higher highs and equal lows, so basically it is actually consolidation, right? Like triangle consolidation or whatever. So watch for the breakout of consolidation area, watch for the daily inside bar, see there's any symbols. Okay, but now today I don't think there's any good chance to buy the oil, because it will not make you a very good money. Okay, it will not make you a good decent profit. Okay, it will only give you a very good nice profit after it finish the consolidation. That's my view of oil. I don't think the oil is very much connected to the coronavirus. Okay, yeah, because the recent move, the recent huge bullish move, okay, it's not due to the coronavirus. It's just due to the OPEC. Okay, and also due to the previous the fall is too fast, and the price is not is abnormal. Okay, so there will be some market correction of the previous the crazy sell. Okay, after the market realized, okay, the oil may still have some value. Okay, because we are still running cars, running machines with oil. The human being are still a oil society. Okay, nobody can remove the oil right now, so it will have the price, the value will be like regression. Okay, you will actually go back to the value that people think it will be. Okay, so but our traders view is not to decide whether it will go up or go down. Our job is to pick the right moment to enter the market. Okay, as I said, okay, watch the level of 37.50. It may give you some hint. Watch the level of this pink bar here, 39. Okay, if the oil can break up or break down, it may give you some opportunity to participate in the following trend, and that will give you the money, not by talk, not by analyze and dream whether the oil go back to 80 or come back to 20. Okay, don't guess the market, but trade it. Okay, find the pattern to trade it. That will be helpful for you guys. Okay, let's go for dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is bearish because make a very nice reversal here around 109.50 level. So daily chart, okay, daily chart, the dollar yen has a very bearish target, which I think it could be pushed to 102 again. Okay, so this is something that we guys have to get ready. Okay, so the dollar yen may form this bat pattern to complete 102. Just compare this as the dollar index. Okay, let's check the dollar index. Okay, the dollar index has some okay, sorry, yeah, we compare it. So let me compare the dollar index with you guys, and you will find some interesting thing. And yet we use this method, we capture a very strong, nice profit with Kiwi dollar. Remember, as I said in my last webinar, I said we can buy the Kiwi by observing the Aussie dollar performance. Anyone took that trade? buy Kiwi, okay, because the Aussie already break new high, and we believe the Kiwi will catch up. Okay, that would be a perfect example of this strategy. Okay, so again, I'm going to use a strategy right now in front of you guys. All right, so you can see here the dollar index. Okay, it performed a super strong rally, and the dollar yen performed a super strong rally. Correct? Okay, the dollar index already come back to this much, almost to the previous low. But where is dollar yen? Guys, can you find the difference? Where is dollar yen? The dollar yen is still here, okay, not even breaking the middle line, not even breaking the neckline, okay, still here. So if the dollar yen will follow the dollar index performance, will the dollar yen go back to this level? Do you think? Like 104, like 103? Do you think, okay, I will put the question mark here. Do you think very possibly the dollar yen may go back to here as well? Okay, raise your hand, okay? Or vote. If you think yes, go for 1. If you think no, go for 2. Okay, 1 or 2. 1, dollar yen will catch, go back to the origin of the previous rally point. 2, no, the dollar yen will come sideways or become supported from 106. What's your view? Okay, good. So yeah, so with this, bear this in mind, okay, to remind yourself, okay, if you want to buy the dollar yen, where is the best point? It could be 104, okay? Only upon the dollar yen come back to this low, I will be interested to consider to long dollar yen, okay? But I'm not even sure whether it will bounce from here, so I will decide to watch the price action, okay? Watch the price action of dollar yen when it come back to this low, see whether it can form a double bottom, okay? See whether it can break the trend line, and then you go for it, okay? Until then, you go for it for the long. Otherwise, okay, you should keep on setting the highs, setting the pullback, okay? So go for 4-hour chart, what we can find. Okay, very good. We find a very good structure, okay, which is here. Because 108.50 is previous support, as you can see here, support, and support was taken down, okay, was taken down. So if the dollar yen can rally back to 108.50, I will put a sell mark here, okay, sell the dollar yen from this level, could give you a very good profit, okay, maybe 106 or maybe even lower. Sell the high, sell the structure. All right, okay, good. Aussie dollar, Aussie still goes up, okay, but do not sell, do not short it. Okay, it may even have another bullish move. So let's watch whether the Aussie can break 0.7044. Okay, if you find some good price action, like a very strong green candle, okay, find the pullback and buy Aussie again. It's a long-term bullish plan because Aussie in weekly chart already formed a V-shape reversal. Okay, this is a 100% V-shape reversal, we call it. And if the V-shape reversal's neckline was broken, guess what will happen? Guess what will happen? If the V-shape reversal's neckline was broken, yeah, it may all the way goes to the previous high at 0.80. Okay, so I think the Aussie will still become strong, okay, because the dollar index is weak, okay, and Australia dollar is a high yield currency dollar. The money will go back to Australia if the the country and the politicians and the natural resources doesn't have any change, okay, long term wise Aussie will go up, right? Good, and let's go for Kiwi. Here it comes again. Okay, Aussie already goes to this level. Where's Kiwi? Not yet, right? So we can still consider buy Kiwi because if Aussie goes up, Kiwi will catch. Okay, we use this method. We successfully cashed about 200 pips. Okay, because last time when Kiwi before it rallies about 0.62, right? Now it's already 0.65, already 350 pips. Okay, so since Aussie already goes to this level, I think the Kiwi will catch. So you can still consider buy the Kiwi, right? That's easy money. Good. So let's move on. Dollar Canadian. Okay, dollar Canadian hit the target. Repeat, dollar Canadian already hit the target. So you can consider to took some profit of your sell from 1.38. Okay, as we mentioned, it breaks this line. Okay, it will keep falling to fill the gap and go for the base of here. So took some profit and leave your rest position. Okay, for free. Just hold it. Okay, because we don't know whether the dollar Canadian will go back all the way to testing this or testing this. We don't know, because in weekly chart it's quite amazing. Okay, because weekly, sorry, let's go for monthly charts. Monthly chart, the dollar Canadian is telling me, okay, the price was rejected from 1.47 twice, okay, in the year 2016 and in the year 2020. Okay, and if the long-term bullish trend line was broken here, okay, it's very, very close. Okay, if this trend line was broken in monthly chart, guess where will the dollar Canadian falls to? Yeah, make your brainstorm, make your, yeah, run your full of imaginations. Anyone can give me any point? Just mention, just give me one. 2618. Yes, Lester. Very good guess. Okay, so we can always use the Fibonacci level to give us some hints. Okay, yeah, the 618 is possible, which is 1.12. And look left. Okay, important thing is when you look left. Okay, look left. Where is this place? Do you have any idea? Where is 1.12? How do you describe this level? Anyone? And don't forget, now it's monthly inside bar breakdown. That's very, very, very powerful, right? So 1.12 even handle, okay? This level will go left. Wow, that's a long-term neckline, correct? It's somewhere when the dollar Canadian forms a monthly double bottoms, okay? Or a cup and handle patterns, okay? It's the neckline of the origin of the bullish movement. Okay, so get ready if the dollar Canadian will fall to that level. Okay, and now it's 1.34, but we still have about 2,200 pips, okay, to capture this fall. Okay, that could be yours. So find your way to sell the high, sell the pullback, sell the trend line broken and pullback, sell the structure pullback, whatever. Okay, and get ready. The dollar Canadian may go to that level. That's possible by the weakness of the dollar index. Okay, and again, Canadian yen will be a very strong product. Okay, so I think the Canadian yen, once it breaks this trend line, it will create a super bullish movement. All the way goes back to 618 level, which is here, like 93.88. Okay, so Canadian yen have this potential gain, okay, of about 1,600 pips, but it has to break the trend line first. Okay, that's the important thing. All right, so let's go for S&P 500. Okay, it keeps rallying. Okay, we tried to short it last week, but we failed and hit our stop loss. Right, correct? It give us a stop loss hunt here. Okay, but it's okay because we only lose this much. Okay, we don't actually hit this damage, right? And right now in 1 hour chart, it actually creates a double top already, and the neckline was broken. So I'm going to use the 2618 strategy. Okay, I will choose to use the 618 to sell the S&P, which is 3213. Okay, so tonight, wait for this level. Okay, try to make a sell from here, and it may give you some surprise. Okay, because ultimately the S&P has been rallied too long, and the last wave of the bull is so illogical. Okay, there's no fundamental thing support this rally. Okay, because gold is rally as well, and S&P is rally as well. So this makes some contradictions. Okay, so personally, I feel I can use the 2618 to take a short. Nevertheless, because my stop loss is at this high. Okay, if it's create a new high, I will leave. I will exit the short. Okay, but if it cannot break the new high and give me this double top followed by a 618 pullbacks, okay, I will definitely go for a short to 3150 and 31,000. Okay, 31,000 will be a good level for me to take some profit. Okay, this could be a very nice trade. Okay, because from the candlestick, okay, this is a very strong bearish candle followed by a green candle, but cannot push a new high. I will consider this as a very good chance to sell the inside bar breakdown. Okay, so that could be the plan B. Okay, plan B is if the price cannot break new high anymore, cannot push to 618, I will use the inside bar breakdown to cut in and to eat all the falling room of the S&P. Okay. All right. Last but not least, okay, BTC. Okay, the Bitcoin has been sideways quite long, and right after the crash last week, okay, we used the 618, and I said we can buy from here. Okay, buy from 9,320. If you capture that level, okay, you're still fine, still fine. So now the Bitcoin, you just find the 9,300 level. As long as it is above this level, it will create a new high soon. Okay, because in daily chart, it looks very much a bullish breakout consolidation. Okay, so I will need the price to go back again. Okay, make some consolidation and then finally pull back. Okay, breakout and pull back. Okay, so 10K will be a strong resistance for this week. Watch that level. If the level was taken, okay, find the pullback to buy. Okay, the Bitcoin will have another strong rally. Okay, alternatively, if you want to see the bearish side, it could be like this. Okay, so there will be a trend line here. Okay, the Bitcoin cannot break this line for a bullish momentum. Okay, if the Bitcoin break this trend line, the pullback happens, you have to be careful, okay, because this will have another fall to 7,900 level. Okay, so be careful about this. Okay, so now we have a bullish strong trend. If the trend line was supported and the price can create new high, okay, that is plan A. Plan A is here. Okay, but plan B is trend line was broken, pullback, failed to break a new high, you can sell to 8,000 level. Okay, that is two plans for the Bitcoin. All right, so I think we have covered all the markets. Shall we leave like this? Okay, I think yeah. So yeah, by the way, the FOMC meeting is coming to in 2 hours time, half an hour time. So be careful of your position size. Okay, don't hold too much lot size before the data comes. Okay, so try to trade or try to create a trading plan after the news released, and check. You just quickly check, is the supporting level broken or the resistance level broken? Okay, so what should I do if the broken happen, if the true breakout happens? What should I do? Should I buy the low of a pullback, or should I choose a reversal? Okay, so it's all upon the real-time decisions. Okay, we traders, we are decision makers. Okay, we are not uh, the tellers. Okay, we are not the fortune tellers. Okay, we don't tell the market, but we make decision whether we want to go buy, sell, buy the low, sell high, or buy the pullback and create new high. Okay, it's all your choice. Okay, so find a way, find the patterns to help yourself to form a good trading plan. Okay, instead of guessing. All right, that's my message for all of you guys. Okay, so take care. Okay, make good trade and win good profit. Okay, bring back to your pocket and take some money. Okay, withdraw some money and celebrate. Okay, so that's how we trade. Do not only input money. Okay, a lot of people only inject funds. They never do any withdrawal. They only injecting the capital, but they fail to withdraw it. Not only even once. Okay, so try not to do that like a number game. Okay, you have to focus on your original plan. Okay, you come to this market not only to guess the high or guess the low or make some money or make some loss. Right, eventually if you are a successful trader, you have to withdraw the profit. Okay, consequently, okay, sorry, consecutively every month, every week. Okay, and your life will be enhanced in the way of professional trading. That's my advice. Okay, so plan your trade and trade your plan. I'm Jack. I will see you next time. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, some students ask me whether there's any upcoming uh, seminars in Singapore. Sorry, due to the coronavirus, I'm not able to go back to Singapore in June. Okay, so this is already confirmed. So no live seminars for this year. Okay, maybe next year, 2021, I will make a live seminar in Singapore. Okay, but yet you can still choose to learn my strategies, learn my course from my English teaching videos. Okay, this is harmonicasia.com. Okay, and I have uploaded all my courses there. Okay, you can consider to choose to take my Pro Trader course. Okay, so give me an email, send me an email to how to sign up for this plan, and you can join my students group. Okay, for the daily discussion and for the weekly webinar as well. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah.